Hi, I'm Dave Strobar with an Alarming Minute. When you're developing an alarm philosophy, one of the key things is determining how you set priorities for an alarm. The typical way of doing it is it's based upon the speed of operator response that's required and the consequence of inaction. So that the faster the alarm the operator has to respond, or the more significant the consequence, the higher priority. Well, a lot of places they say that at first, but then you find that they have some de facto priorities set up, where if this is an SIS alarm, well then it must be an emergency priority, or if this is an IPL, then this must have a certain priority. But when we say you really want to focus on speed and consequence, we really mean it. You really need to stay with that. There's cases where somebody will say, well, every SIS alarm needs to be an emergency priority, but people are putting SIS systems increasingly on less consequential aspects of the plant, so that it really is not an emergency priority should the SIS actuate. So you're really going to focus on how fast does the operator need to respond and what's the consequence of responding. I've had operators that will tell me that if you go through the rationalization, they start to realize what's happening. So they said, oh, I get it. If it's an emergency priority, and I tell the field operators, they're going to be running out the door to take care of it. If it's a high priority, they're going to be getting up and taking care of it right now. If it's a low priority, they're going to take another sip of coffee before they go respond to the alarm. So focus on speed of response, and then focus on consequence. How severe is the consequence? If the alarm, the consequence of inaction, the plant is still in steady state operation and it's just a quality economic issue, probably should be a low priority alarm. The high and emergency should be dealing with safety, environmental, asset sort of situations. So stick to the speed and consequence. Don't create de facto priorities based on some other aspect of the alarm condition. If you need more information, check us out at bevel.com. Talk to you again soon.